What's up, guys?
Yo!
Hey, a lot of our Amazon stuff came in, so we're gonna open it, do a few things today. Let's get into it.
Let's go!
Alright, so we're gonna open up some of these packages. There's quite a bit of them, so let's open them up. This is for sure some batteries, I think, for our drill.
This is our dash cover, so we'll have to see
If we like it.
if that fits, if we like it.
Some LED headlights. These headlights on this van are terrible. It's like a flashlight, and you can't see anything. But worse.
The blinkers
Are
actually do a better job of illuminating the road than the headlights do. So
which is not safe. So
we had to get some new ones.
We got these guys. We're gonna try them out, see if they're awesome.
Got some new windshield wipers. These were $32 a piece at O'Reilly, and they were $32 for a pair on Amazon.
Thanks, Amazon.
Welcome!
For the new stereo, we do not have the mounting kit yet. It's the last thing that's coming on its way from Amazon, so we'll wait on that.
These are
The badges.
so we got our emblems. So as we showed you guys when we installed the wheels, they did not come with these emblems. So I contacted the company, and they actually sent us 4 new emblems for free, as well as giving us a discount for the hubcaps being dented. So if you're looking for aftermarket hubcaps, check out Hubcap Haven. They are awesome. Their customer service is great.
Let's put them on.
Cool, let's do it. All right, guys, hubcaps are done. The emblems are installed. They look great. They really make these just look a little bit more premium, look like real wheels instead of cheap hubcaps. But we are gonna do some cabin work. We have seat covers. We have a dash mat that we're gonna install. But before we do that, we really need to go get some cleaning supplies because it's kind of still pretty gross in there. So before we do that, we're gonna install windshield wipers and our new headlights.
Yeah.
Let's do it. So these are the ones that have probably been on here since the vehicle was purchased in 2010. And here's the new ones. They look nice.
Now we're gonna install the headlights.
I'm excited to see these actually. Yo, dang, those are pretty dope. So these, in theory, should, keyword should, be a direct replacement for these.
That's what they said online.
And this wiring harness should, in theory, these are some extra cables. I believe if you want them to turn amber for turn signal, but since we have a turn signal, we're not gonna need that. So it should just be a plug and play installation, and we shouldn't need to connect these, hopefully. So we'll see. But first step is we gotta try to get this headlight assembly out, which requires some sockets. So we got some sockets here. Let's get them out.
Ooh, dog.
Headlights are done.
Yeah, finally.
That was kind of a pain.
It was a pain.
It was a pain.
Stupid rust.
One screw.
Stupid rust.
It's amazing how the entire headlight installation can take 10 minutes and then one screw can take 20 minutes.
No, it took like 30, I think.
But we got it. We got them in. Next up are interior upgrades. So like we said, we got seat covers, dash mat, we have a bed rug. We need to repaint the entire inside. But before we do that, there's a lot of cleaning supplies we need. So we're gonna go to the store and get some cleaning supplies. Let's go.
Let's do it.
All right, so as we mentioned, there's a lot of cleaning to do on this vehicle. The inside has probably never been cleaned out. It has a pad on the floor that has a pad underneath it that's just like straight yellow. Everything's pretty disgusting. So the plan is we're going to take drills and drill brushes and kind of scrub all the dirt, get everything off, use some orange degreaser or whatever we can find, get everything off. And then we're gonna wipe it down, wipe it clean, probably do a couple rounds of that till we get everything out. And then once that's done, we will take a metal brush and basically do the same thing, but just to scuff the paint. Apparently you need the paint to be scuffed when you apply the Raptor liner. So anyways, we're here at Walmart, gonna pick up some cleaning supplies, so let's do it.
Let's go.
Yeah, we're going back into the hardware section. You know why? Because we're hard. And we're men.
Yeah, that's where we belong right there. Tools and hardware. That's us. I already got one.
Well, thanks, bro. Yeah. Appreciate you. Come on now. Alright, let's get some more cleaning stuff. Alright, so for sure we need some cleaning wipes, just good basic Armor All. Those are fire. I like them. I use them in my personal vehicle. Purple power. Power. Cool. Super clean. Dissolves grease. Super easy. Super fast. Alright guys, there's only $94.04 for all this cleaning supplies. We're gonna take this back and we're gonna start cleaning this thing out. Let's go. Alright, and now we're gonna clean the inside because it is disgusting. So let's do it. Ugh. That was terrible.
Well, we lost it again. Alright, interior. Multi-purpose cleaner with OxyClean. You heard the man. Hi, Billy Mays here with OxyClean. R.I.P.
But I'm not done yet.
This part is a pain to film, so we're just gonna show you after the seat covers go on, but I'm gonna spray the crap out of these seats because they're disgusting. Try my best to just freshen them. Really, they're not gonna look any better. I mean, this is like years and years of dirt just baked into these, so I'm not really concerned with how they look because we're gonna cover them, but I just want them to be like freshen and smell okay. So we're gonna do that now, and then we'll show you guys once we're done.
Let's go. Alright, so we've been cleaning the inside of the cabin. It's pretty disgusting, but we're getting it nice and shiny. Now to the fun part. So I have a pair of scissors and some foam from one of our Pelican cases that was extra. And we're actually gonna cut a custom piece to fit into this little slot here. As you can see, we sprayed some Flex Seal actually because this was shedding so bad onto the floor here and onto the floorboard. And so we wanted the shedding to stop. Every time you would touch it, it would just rain all these weird little particles. All right, so I cut a couple pieces of this foam out and it actually fit pretty good. So that's in there with no adhesive or anything. So honestly, I think we're just gonna spray the crap out of it with Flex Seal and just let it seal right in there. It can live there forever.
Oh, okay. We are pretty much done detailing the inside and we're gonna try the dash mat on now. It is smelling so good, so fresh, so clean, and which is really great because it smelled really bad before, and there's just a lot of baked in sweat and nastiness. So got that all out, everything's clean, smells nice, looks nice. The seats are drying currently, so we're not gonna put the seat mats on yet, but we are gonna put the dash mat on, so let's do that. Alright guys, last thing for today is the seat covers. Now that we have the seats all scrub-a-dub-dubbed and fresh and smelling nice, I hope these seat covers fit. They said on Amazon that they fit. They already seem complicated because there's a bag of something. I don't know what that is, but hopefully that doesn't make it really difficult to install. These are Giant Panda brand. That logo is kind of lame, but you know what? They were black and they would look like leather, so let's go for it. This one. This back. We did it! These are nice. Super comfy. Super comfy. On to the next one. Just a bit more. Perfect. Okay, cover it up. Yeah, that'll work, you know? All right guys, today was a good day. Everything's done. We just got her washed, so she's nice and shiny. That's all we're gonna do for today, but stay tuned. We're gonna install the stereo next, and we will start cleaning and prepping the back for Raptor liner. So stay tuned. We'll have a ton more fun, and we'll see you in the next step.